Do you want a unique and aggressive look for your C7 Corvette along with improved aerodynamic performance? If so, you might be interested in these carbon fiber front splitters from CorvetteMods. The Z06 Corvette is available with some aerodynamic upgrades that are popular with enthusiasts. One of these upgrades is the front splitter, which attaches below the front bumper and reduces aerodynamic drag at high speeds. CorvetteMods offers front splitters made of lightweight carbon fiber that reproduce the look and performance of the aggressive bodywork offered by the factory. The splitters are available in either a Stage 2 or a Stage 3 version. The difference between the two is the winglets on the Stage 3 splitter that aren't present on the Stage 2 piece. The winglets offer a more aggressive look and improved aerodynamics at top speed. Whichever splitter you choose, you'll be getting a functional piece of hardware that improves the look and performance of the C7 Corvette. The front splitters are also a great complement to other mods such as carbon fiber side skirts and our wicker bill spoiler upgrade. Use the links below to find the right splitter for your Corvette, or call our knowledgeable sales staff with any questions you may have. They can help you get the look and performance you're after. Please subscribe to this channel for future videos and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. At CorvetteMods, we obsess over your vet.